At a price of $60 for 29 bits is this Caroler brand. They're constructed of M35 cobalt steel. Sizes 1/16 up to 1/2 inch. They're designed for wood, plastic, cast iron, and stainless steel. The bits have a 135-degree split point, and the Caroler bits are made in China. I'm trying to make some sense of some of the names used on these drill bits. Extensive research reveals that the name Carol primarily means fierce in battle or strong. A drill bit typically isn't a tool choice for battle, so it must mean strong. And a Caroler is finished in just over 24 seconds. At a price of $63 for 29 bits is this Hi-Fire brand. They're M35 cobalt steel drill bits designed for very hard metal. They're supposed to be able to resist high heat abrasion while drilling. 135-degree split point. They have a gold ferrous surface treatment. Sizes 1/16 to 1/2 inch. And the Hi-Fire is made in China. And the name Hi-Fire sometimes refers to there being a high risk of fire. When we get to some of the tougher material, hopefully the Hi-Fire won't have to burn its way through the steel. And the Hi-Fire is a little bit faster than the Caroler at 22.86 seconds. At a price of $65 for 15 bits is this Milwaukee brand. Sizes 1/16 up to 3/8 inch. Milwaukee claims that their drill bits offer 15 times the life. Unlike the previous brands, the Milwaukee has a quad edge tip. Cobalt alloy steel to handle hard metal. Includes sizes 1/8 up to 3/8 inch. The drill bits are professionally made in China from Milwaukee Tools. The Milwaukee's quad edge tip looks quite a bit like the DeWalt's Pilot Point, but quad edge does sound a lot more impressive. And the Milwaukee is indeed faster than average, but 4 seconds slower than the DeWalt Pilot Point at 20.6 seconds. At a price of $75 is this Warrior brand, which is sold at Harbor Freight. It's a 29-piece drill bit set that's constructed of cobalt high-speed steel. Sizes 1/16 up to 1/2 inch. 135-degree split point. They claim that their cobalt steel bits last longer and cut faster than high-speed steel. And the Warrior drill bits are made in China. With a name like Warrior, expectations are pretty big. And the Warrior looks to be faster than most of the other brands and is shredding the 1/2 inch mild steel plate. And the Warrior just moved into second place behind the DeWalt Cobalt at 19.51 seconds. At a price of $94 for 29 bits is this Drill America brand. Includes sizes 1/16 to 1/2 inch. M35 cobalt steel is supposed to provide premium durability. They claim that their gold oxide finish lubricates the drill bit and provides wear resistance. The drill bits have a 135-degree split point. There's no information on the packaging regarding where they're manufactured. The Drill America is off to a pretty good start, just like the Warrior. However, 19.51 seconds is going to be really hard to beat. And the Drill America is finished in 21.1 seconds, which is pretty decent. At a price of $130 is this Irwin brand. M35 cobalt alloy steel. Sizes 1/16 inch up to 1/2 inch. They have a 135-degree split point. They're designed specifically for hardened steel. There's no information on the packaging regarding where they're manufactured. The Irwins have a 135-degree split point just like the Warrior and the Drill America, but the point of the drill does look a little bit different. And the Irwin drill bit isn't quite as fast as some of the other brands at 23.55 seconds. At a price of $140 is this Drill Hog brand. Most of the previous bits have the M35 cobalt. The Drill Hog has M42, 135-degree split point. They claim that they have a lifetime warranty. The tri-flat shank prevents spinning in the drill chuck. And the Drill Hog bits are made in USA. The Drill Hog brand finished in second place overall in the last drill bit review, and it made very easy work of the mild and spring steel. And the Drill Hog seems lower this time compared to the competition at 29.7 seconds. At a price of $180, the most expensive drill bits we'll be testing are made by Viking Drill and Tool. They're constructed of M42 cobalt steel, 135-degree split point. I'll use a 9.5mm drill bit since that's very close to 3/8 inch. It's a 25-piece drill bit set, sizes 1 to 13 millimeters. And the Viking drill bits are made in USA. The Viking drill bits performed extremely well in the previous review, but are they maintaining the same high quality as they did in the past? The Viking is making a lot smaller chips than most of the other brands. And the Viking is finally finished in 32.85 seconds. So the DeWalt Cobalt with the Pilot Point made the fastest hole in only 16.36 seconds. The Warrior finished in second place at 19.51 and the Comaware third at 19.65.